Hello, I'm back again. I realized that nobody could hear my sound. So I'm back again. I'm going to start the story all over again. Is that fine? I hope that's fine. Uh, so let me see. All right. So I will start the story again. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, you can put a yes, so I know you can hear me. All right. So let's start the story. Far in the desert of Rajasthan was a small village called Gamnewal. This was a beautiful village in the midst of the desert, full of very happy people. In this village lived a small girl called Bhumika. Now, Bhumika was born into a family of three brothers: Ajay Pratap, Bhairav Pratap, and Gaurav Pratap. Everybody in the family loved her. Her brothers adored her and never let her out of their sight. Her parents, Maya and Shamsher, were so happy. They were very happy to see how the brothers loved their sisters and looked after her. They loved her so much that they called her Chutki. Now घर में जो सबसे छोटा होता है हम उसको पेट नेम देते हैं and we normally call the youngest in the family Chotu or Chutki, and so she was called Chutki. She was the youngest in the family after all. So turn by turn the brothers would carry her on their shoulder as they whenever if they went to play she would be on their shoulders. When they went to the market she would be on their shoulders. If they went to the temple she would be on their shoulders. Chutki never had to walk. Soon Chutki grew up and it was time to go to school. As usual, the brothers carried her to school on their shoulders and then set her down outside her classroom. She looked up at her brothers and then smiled. She was happy she was going to school. And then she became sad because she had never been anywhere without her brothers. Her brothers were always around her. This would be the first time that she's going someplace without them. But, anyways, she walked into the classroom. When she walked in, what did she see? She realized something. And you know what that was? She realized that all the other children in her class were much taller than her. She was the shortest in the class. Imagine her shock. She till now she thought that she because she was the youngest of her in her family, that is why she was short. But now in class also she is short. She was shocked. All the children looked at her first, then they looked at each other, and then they started laughing. Ha ha ha. Poor Chutki. She was so sad. She started crying. And then she ran out of the class. She ran and ran and ran as fast as her feet could carry her. She did not look up at all. She just ran, 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 ran. The further she ran from school, the louder she could hear the children's laughter. It was really as if she was Chutki, a Lilliput, and they were in a class full of giants. You are right, Vinita and Tanvi. She felt she was small because all along she used to be on her brother's shoulders. So everybody looked small to her. Now that she was standing on her own 2 feet, she realized that she was actually very, very short. She didn't realize that then. She ran and ran and ran and ran and ran till she got tired and breathless. She gasped for air. And as she gasped for air, she stumbled and fell. And when she fell, what does it happen when we fall down? She hurt her knee. But when she fell, only then did she stop running. As she held her knee to see how hurt she was, she suddenly realized that she was not in her school compound. She looked up and realized that she was in a new place altogether. She had never been to this place. She stood up but fell down again because her knee was hurt, no? Ah, ah, mummy. She cried and she was scared. But you know something? Chutki was brave. So she took a deep breath and then she stood up and she thought, I must get back home. So she looked to her right. She could see nothing, only the desert, sand as far as her eye could see. So she looked left, and what did she see? She saw some huts far in the distance. So, which means she was near the village only. So, what did she do? She slowly limped in the direction of the huts. She limped and limped and limped and fell down. Her knee was hurting, but she had to be strong. So she got up again and limped and limped and limped towards the huts. As she limped, she saw a small puppy by the side of the road, and the small puppy was whining. That's how puppies make a sound, no? So she limped up to the puppy, and you know what she saw? The puppy was also hurt and bleeding like her. Poor puppy. The poor little puppy had been caught in a trap. The trap had been kept over there to catch wild pigs. But the trap is like this. So when the puppy's leg came here, the trap went close. And the puppy's leg got stuck in it. And it couldn't stand up. Poor puppy. Chutki felt very sad for the puppy. So she opened the trap and pulled the puppy's leg out. She saw how badly injured the puppy was. And when seeing the puppy cry like this, she forgot that she was also hurt. So what did she do? She took her dupatta and tied it around the puppy. And then holding it like this, she started limping towards the huts. In the meantime, Chutki's school teacher had told his father that she couldn't see Chutki and Chutki had run away from school. So Chutki's father and Chutki's brothers were out searching for her. They looked around the school, but she was not in school. They looked in the market. She was not in the market. They looked in the temple. पंडित जी आई है क्या? आपने चुटकी को देखा क्या? पंडित जी said, नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा. Then they ran. They went near the village well because that is where everybody gathers. But she was not there also. And soon they searched and searched and searched and searched, and they reached the edge of the village where what did they see? They saw Chutki limping on the road. They were so happy that Chutki's father came running and hugged her. Chutki's brothers also came running and they did a group hug. You know what a group hug is? Where everybody hugs together. They were so happy to have found Chutki that they did not see this little bundle in her hand. And as they crushed her in a tight hug, the package started whimpering. Eh, ये क्या हो रहा है? Thought her father. And then he looked at the bundle and they saw the bleeding puppy. So Chutki's father picked her up and made her sit on his shoulder, and her brothers took the bundle from her and they all went home. When they reached home, Chutki's mama came rushing out of the house and hugged her. And then Ajay Pratap, Bhairav Pratap, and Gaurav Pratap quickly bought some water and cleaned the puppy, while mummy cleaned Chutki's wound. Then they sat in the kitchen and over some hot rotis, Chutki told her mother that the children were laughing at her in school and that is why she got upset and she ran away. Hugging her. What do mamas do when you're sad? Mamas give you a hug, no? So mama gave her a hug and mama told her, all along you have been seeing the world from your brother's shoulders. which is why everybody looked very, very short. Now that you were on your own 2 feet, you realize that everybody around you is not as short. But you shouldn't feel sad when people laugh at you because that shouldn't really matter. You know, your name is Bhumika. And you know what Bhumika means? Bhumika means the earth. And who is more stronger than the earth? Nobody. The earth is the strongest because the earth has so many humans, animals, plants living on it. Does the earth ever get tired or sad? No. The earth is strong. So, Bhumi, you should also be strong. And so, and another thing, you are brave. You saved that puppy. You opened the trap and brought the puppy home, remember? Only somebody who is brave will do that. Because otherwise, children will think, oh, this puppy might bite me. Oh, this puppy will scratch me. And some children are scared of seeing blood. What children? Even adults are scared of seeing blood. But you, little Bhumi, you were not scared. You picked up the puppy. You saved the puppy from the trap. So you are a very brave girl and you should never feel sad if somebody laughs at you. Haste to hasne do. We should not be bothered. Bhumi got very happy. Chutki was happy that her mama said nice things to her. So the next morning when it was time to go to school, Chutki was scared initially. But then she remembered what her mother had said and went to school with her brothers. When she went to the classroom, all the children stood up and started clapping. Yay! Chutki was shocked and surprised. ये क्या हो गया? कल तो ये लोग सब हंस रहे थे. आज क्यों इतना क्लैप कर रहे हैं मेरे लिए? But you know why they were clapping? They were clapping because everybody in the school had heard about how Chutki had saved that puppy. And so they realized that Chutki was very, very brave. They wanted to congratulate her for saving the puppy, for being so brave. And you know what? From that day onwards, they changed her name. They started calling Bhumika, they started calling Chutki Raksha. Raksha, the one who saves. So this is the story of little Bhumika who was called Chutki, and then because of her bravery everybody started calling her Raksha. So tonight when you go to sleep I want you all to see sweet dreams of bravery. I want you to see dreams where you are saving somebody, you're looking after somebody. And you must promise me that the next time any of your friend laughs at you or anybody makes fun of you, you should not be bothered. Why? Because you are very special. You are special to your parents, you are special to your family, and you are special to your best friends. All right. Now, since I had promised a story on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, today is Tuesday, so I will come back again tomorrow with another story of another brave child. Till then, you must all now go have your dinner and go to sleep. Good night. Bye bye.